Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I almost said the channel. Yuck. As you can see, we're out and about today. I have decided that we're gonna have an epic grocery haul day today, so I was like, let me film it, because you know what I would love is to watch an epic grocery haul. So basically we need a lot of stuff, and a lot of stuff that we need I can get at Costco, and there's some Costco specific things I need, but there's also some Trader Joe's specific things I need. So I'm gonna try to get the bulk of the stuff I need today at Costco, such as like berries, eggs, butter, like the basics, you know? In a perfect world, I'd like to go to Costco first, see what I like didn't get or didn't want from Costco, then I could like make up the difference at Trader Joe's. But Costco doesn't open till 10, which is, come on, I've been up for like a whole day by then. So I've come to Trader Joe's first. Let me lock the door. So we're doing Trader Joe's first, and just like hope for the best that Costco has everything else I need, and then we'll go to Costco. It is spring break, so Milo's home. I've snuck out by myself to Trader Joe's, but I think the boys will join me for Costco. We'll see. I actually stopped off at Walgreens first because there's one like gas tummy related medication I will take, and it's this because it works literal miracles. And yesterday we had a class picnic with Milo's class at like a park, which was so cute and fun. Just something to do to get the kids all together over spring break, and Milo's teacher ended up showing up, and it was as if like Jesus himself entered the playground. It was so cute. But it was like a picnic, and to make things easy, and because Milo requested it, we got McDonald's, which is delicious, but it's fighting back. So I was without my gas X, so I made a little detour to Walgreens first. So let me tell you, this is just like a knockoff of the gas X brand, but for some reason the Walgreens brand ultra strength gas relief, you want the orange. It is life-changing. I'm gonna pop one of those right now, then we're gonna go to Trader Joe's. Let's go! Let me also put you onto a weird-ish recommendation, but if you've never tried listening to 40s music, you really should. Like 3 years ago, I was having like major anxiety issues, and I, for some reason, stumbled upon the 40s channel on my Sirius XM and found it so relaxing and cozy. It's like Christmas music for all year round, but it also reminds me of like Disneyland. Like if you're in California Adventure on Buena Vista Street, they play like 40s music, or if you're in line for the Jungle Cruise, they play a lot of my favorite 40s music in that line. But if for a day of errands out on the town, got the 40s music blasting, vibes are good. Okay, now let's go to Trader Joe's. I've never seen my Trader Joe's this empty, besides the day after Thanksgiving. That was a good day to come, but this is weird. Okay, here's my cart. Just 3 bags this time, but I'll show you everything when I get home. Home from Trader Joe's, blurry as usual. The whole fam and some were dog sitting for my brother. There's a lot of people in this room, so it might be a loud grocery haul. But, are you okay?
Yeah, we're sitting here quiet, and you're saying how loud we are.
It's not gonna remain quiet.
You're saying like how crazy things are.
I'm giving, now you're yelling!
Our son is quietly eating, and I'm making a list for Costco. You're making me sound like mayhem in here.
I'm just warning, things might get crazy. They might not. But back from back from Trader Joe's. I spent, what did I spend? $196.91. It's gonna be a pricey day, honey. But as Bradley just reminded me, it's food. So, and I didn't even get anything. You having a snack? I didn't even get anything frivolous. I just got like food we're gonna eat. I did get Milo a lollipop. He's excited about that. I got some organic milk. I got some organic half and half. I usually get heavy cream, but I am trying to slim things down. I don't even use it that much, but when I do want to use it, I figured let's try. See, this is what I mean by chaos.
Slim this down.
God. Figured I'd try to swap it out for half and half. Yes, TT's here. We got some, I said I was gonna buy all my berries at Costco, but these looked so good, I could not buy them. So I got some organic strawberries. I got some, I've been enjoying these little mozzarella cheese pearls, some ricotta cheese, and Milo's string cheese singles. I got 2 things of chicken meatballs because I've been eating these a lot because they are, you can have 4 of these for 0 points on Weight Watchers. So those have been heavily in the meal rotation. Some turkey breasts, some butter, some yogurt. I might get more yogurt at Costco. I've heard amazing things about the Kirkland brand Greek yogurt, so I might get more because I'm gonna make tzatziki, but also Milo will just eat plain Greek yogurt, and I use it in a lot of like sauces and dressings and all that, so I might get more at Costco. I got 2 things of this orange juice. They got rid of my favorite orange juice and it hasn't come back, which is devastating. And this one we like, but it has a very short shelf life, like you have to drink it within 5 days of opening, so I just get 2 of the smaller ones instead of the bigger one so that we don't waste any. Now, since we're going to Costco, I normally get the spring mix there, but I have been in a love affair with this organic red butter lettuce, and I have a little bit of a bag left over that's good for a few more days, and then I will start to work on this one. I just have been adding it to everything. It's delicious. I got an organic Caesar salad kit for our dinner tonight. We are having a barbecue night, so I got some other stuff for that, you'll see. I got some dill, even though we have some in the garden, it's not like flourishing yet, and I don't want to deplete it for making tzatziki, so picked up some dill. I also never leave there without picking up a huge bunch of the flat leaf Italian parsley. I got some diced onions and some carrots just for recipes. I have some celery left over, but I don't know, I just like to have them on hand. Like last week we made steak fried rice, and it was incredible, so maybe we'll make another fried rice. I got some zucchini for our barbecue tonight, as well as some super sweet corn. We normally buy the corn like in the husk, but they're not out yet. And we've got this, we've been having heat waves here in LA, so it feels like summer. So we had a barbecue a couple weeks ago, we got this and it was delicious, even though it's not technically in season yet, so we got another one. Some organic broccoli florets, some Honeycrisp apples for all of us. These are actually in the air fryer right now and I should flip them, but I'm starving. So I picked up these Egg Witch, oh, here they go, I need to flip them. Egg Witch breadless breakfast sandwiches. It's just eggs, turkey sausage, or chicken sausage, which one? Turkey and cheese. We got some baked potatoes. My sister might join us for dinner, so I got 3 in case she does. If not, we'll use it for something else. Some frozen stuff. I got the frozen hash browns. These are amazing. All 3 of us love these. I got some mini chicken tacos. They changed these. They're not as good as they used to be, but I was still craving them. And since we're going to Costco to get the good avocados, and I'll make some bitchin' guacamole, I was like, hell yeah. I think this is my, like, definitely in my top 3 favorite Trader Joe's items ever, and definitely my favorite frozen product. It's the sweet potato gnocchi with butter and sage. It is so good, and like not as bad on like Weight Watchers or like counting calories as you'd think. Try it, it's amazing. And then also these shredded potato hash browns, these on Weight Watchers are 0 points. So we've been making these a ton and they're amazing. Get somebody up my dress. Milo. No. Okay, go finish your snack, okay? We've got lemons and limes because my lemon tree is officially out of lemons, which is devastating. I got a few bananas that look good to eat right now, but I want to buy more at Costco. We got Woody the Woodpecker over here. Picked up a can of garlic, their minced garlic. We needed some more sugar, and then we opened our new baking soda, so we use this a lot for like cleaning vegetables and baking and all that, so picked up another one of those. I am almost out of my argan oil, so I bought 2, one for now, one for a back stock. This stuff is so good. The sliced apple cinnamon sourdough bread, literally incredible. And there's no raisins if you're not a raisins fan like me. Some garlic powder. I always have a backup of this. Milo. I always have a backup of this, and I opened it, so I wanted to get a backup to replace my backup. I got some Cara oranges because Milo's been obsessed. Pretzel sticks, also because Milo's been obsessed, and they haven't had them, so they had them this time, so I got 2. A stock up of my special cookies. Some wine for Bradley. I got this really cute thank you card that says "You are so sweet" with a bunch of sweets on it. And some coffee for Bradley. I have a gremlin up my dress. I got beer for Bradley, and then I got my mango orange, my mango orange Spindrifts in the outside fridge. So yeah, all of that, $1.96. So I'm gonna put away the cold stuff. We're gonna re-gear up. I'm gonna eat this sandwich egg thing, get Milo dressed, get in the car, and then head to Costco. Which, like, I was afraid I'd be burnt out of grocery shopping. I'm not. I love days like this of like restocking the house. It's gonna be like a cozy, maybe rainy weekend, and like having a pantry and fridge full of delicious food will feel good, so. Oh God. Okay, Milo. We'll see you soon. All right, we are trying to make our way out. Oh, I was trying to get your head in there, but you're... And you said it was quiet. Okay, trying to get out of this house to go to Costco. I've already called ahead. Sorry about the garage noise. I've already called ahead. They don't have citrus trees. We were prepared to drive 2 separate cars, but it's just not necessary, which is a bummer. I've been calling so much. They're probably sick of me. But when they have them, they're gonna go quick. And I want my ultimate dream. I saw that they had them in a Texas Costco, so maybe they'll come here. But the pink variegated lemon tree, I want that tree so bad. And then I want the key limes tree. And I would also like another Eureka lemon tree because ours does so well and I love having the lemons. I'd love to have double. Yeah, so, but not today. No citrus trees today. Maybe they'll have other fun plants. I'd love that. But I need to like clean up my car a little bit and then the boys are coming in. We'll be on our way. We're counting the watermelons.
12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
It's been hard to vlog in here because it's packed. There was nobody in Trader Joe's because they're all in Costco. And we have Milo, so it's hard to vlog, but we will show you everything we got when we get home. We have somehow been swindled into giant kerplunk.
Wasn't me.
Our son never asked for anything, and he really just, we became softies today. Okay, we are back from Costco. It feels like we've been gone for like, well, at least me, because I've been gone all morning, like 8 hours.
Costco's always like that. It's like
Feels like half the day is gone, which I guess technically it is. But we're home. I laid everything out that I would show you. Not pictured as that kerplunk game. It's in the garage.
Oof.
We got some pull-ups for Milo for overnight. Tissue.
Toilet paper.
Toilet paper.
Chicken, beef.
Oh, we got chicken and we got ground beef, and those are in the outside freezer. Fridge, whatever. All right, so I got a few things of yogurt pouches. These ones are like shelf stable and don't need to be in the fridge, so I got 2 of those to just kind of bulk us up, but these ones do need to go in the fridge. They have a less long shelf life, but he likes these better. These are the organic Stonyfield yogurt pouches, and then these ones are Go-Go Squeeze. He prefers these cold, so I do put them in the fridge, but loaded up on yogurt pouches. I got my favorite organic Magnifico, organic grape tomatoes. You can get these at Aldi too, but not in this huge thing. Love. Some organic raspberries. I went on that whole spiel about being able to get berries for him there. They didn't have organic blueberries or organic blackberries, so I'll just go to Aldi or something another time. We've got 5 cheese tortellini. I got these little chicken bites. I thought it would make like lunches or dinners when I'm by myself easier. We got 2 things of eggs. The other one's in the outside fridge. We love these. The deal is just too good. I was hungry while shopping and I've already tasted these. We got the Sargento cheese bakes, Parmesan and oregano. I did think they were gonna be bigger, but whatever. They're delish. Got some Stonefire non-dippers, of course. I'm gonna make tzatziki. I did get the Kirkland Greek yogurt, big boy thing of mushrooms. Ooh, I'm into these carb balanced flour tortillas. Did you know this has half of your daily fiber in one of these tortillas? That's crazy. And if you're on Weight Watchers, they're only 2 points per tortilla. So I've been using them heavily. 2 Kerrygold butters. They were on sale. Oh, jinx. You owe me a Coke! We got avocados, of course. We decided to try this 7 Sundays sunflower cereal. This is weird. We've already dug into it. Miles says he doesn't like it. It just kind of tastes like popcorn, like almost like you're eating air with a little bit of dark chocolate in it. I don't know, maybe it'll be better with milk, but they're cute. Bradley got some ground coffee. Bradley already cracked these open to make some for lunch, but he got some of the frozen taquitos. Delish. Over here we got 2 things of the mini muffins. These power my son, but I also eat them. Bradley ate some today. They're delicious. We got some smoothie melts and then some fig bars. These also power my son. 2 packs of Rouse because they were on sale, so we stocked up, and then a bag of That's It bars. Now I got to clean all the produce, prep all the things. Oh, the mushroom lights! Let me show you. For Christmas, actually, my brother-in-law got me these solar powered mushroom lights, and we love them, and they had them there today. We haven't seen them at our Costco, and I love them so much we got another strand, so I am excited about that. You obviously can't see them lit up because it's the daytime, but there's a yellow one, an orange one, and a red one, and when they light up at night, it is magical. Maybe we'll put the other strand on the other side, but yeah, love those mushroom lights. So we got more. Okay, but that is it just in time. My camera battery is flashing. I'm starving, so I'm gonna eat some lunch, put all this away. Thanks for joining us today for our epic grocery haul. If you want more grocery hauls, I have a whole playlist I can link up in the corner. I do these quite regularly, so please subscribe if you're into them. Would love to know your Trader Joe's and Costco faves to try next time.
The hot dogs.
We didn't get a hot dog. We're so upset about it. We always get a hot dog on the way home, and Bradley calls it his car dog, but the line was too long and Milo was done with being out, so yeah. Why are you staring at me like that? I always like to look at Bradley's teeth. Okay, for real now. Bye, guys.